Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pizza box at home. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a large, sturdy piece of cardboard, a ruler for precise measurements, a pencil for marking, and a sharp pair of scissors or a craft knife. Don't forget some strong adhesive like craft glue or hot glue. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring your homemade pizza box is perfect for your delicious creation. Now, let's get precise with our measurements. For a standard 12-inch pizza, you'll want a 24 by 24-inch square of cardboard. Use your ruler and pencil to mark this large square. Next, measure and mark a 2-inch border around all 4 sides of the square. These lines will guide your cuts and folds, forming the sides and lid of your pizza box. Accuracy here is key for a well-fitting box. With your cardboard cut, it's time to start folding and assembling the base. Carefully fold along all the lines you've marked. These folds will define the structure of your box. Apply a thin, even layer of strong glue to the 4 small corner flaps. Then, press these flaps firmly against the inside of the adjacent side panels. Hold each joint for about 30 seconds to allow the glue to set, creating a sturdy foundation for your pizza. Finally, let's create the lid and add the finishing touches to your homemade pizza box. The remaining 2-inch border sections will naturally form the lid. Fold these sections inward, ensuring they fit snugly over the base. You can add a small tab or a piece of tape to the front flap for a more secure closure. Allow all the glue to dry completely for at least 1 hour. Now you have a custom-made pizza box, ready for your next delicious homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.